Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to export videos without watermarks in CapCut. First, let's open our app. The first thing that you can do is tap on the settings icon and then toggle off Add Default Ending. But this often doesn't work and your videos get exported with the default ending of CapCut logo. To fix this quickly, you can head over to your browser and go to this website called Online Video Cutter. Now you can open File. Here I've already exported my CapCut video and you would be able to trim out the CapCut default ending from here. Also, I can crop the CapCut logo from the top. Now save, and after it's done encoding I can download this video and it's all good. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.